Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the MAYBEL brand, their Pro Ionic hair dryer, Salon Smoothness and Frizz control. It's lightweight, quiet, gentle heat. This product gets excellent customer ratings, has a 1-year warranty, and what you're getting is you're getting Dyson-Level Power, 110,000 RPM. It uses a brushless motor inside there, no arcing, high quality, quiet. Runs about 3 times faster than most other units, and it's library quiet, the calling. We're going to test that. Uses 63% less heat damage to your hair versus traditional dryers, and because of the negative ions, they can dry your hair much faster, and uses a large amount, about 2 times more than other units on the market. And it's premium feel, matte metal finish, only 1.3 pounds, featherweight, and magnetic tip on there we're going to show. And it's 120 volt, very simple to use. And I noticed right off the bat that the plug has got a polarized plug, which is nice. And also, if you look on there, it does have an ETL rating. That's something you want for anything electrical. You have resets on there in case water were to splash on this. It's going to protect you and allow you to reset the unit. Comes with a nice Velcro piece right here that gives you the ability to keep the cord organized. Now it also has a little instruction manual, but it's very simple to operate. We're going to show. First thing I'm going to show you is the magnetic cup on there. Look how high-tech that looks, and it looks like a Dyson. What they're doing is they're dispersing the air a certain way to get it quiet and efficient. Then the magnets just go on like that, and you can rotate that in any direction. I love that. This is the part here where it has the display. We're going to show you the different colors for the different temperatures. And different temperature selection is right there. You hit that button and the different power levels are there. Now something else I noticed right immediately was this really cool design. This is the filter. You just pull this back, there's magnets, and you have this large filter array right there that you can easily wipe or vacuum out. That's really nice. So this is pulling in large amounts of air, and if it ever gets any dust or dog hair, you can easily clean that, and you can keep the efficiency of this up, and then it's held on magnetically. Looks really nice. Then in terms of stylishness, this looks really nice. You can get a blue color, and this is the cream or the white color, and I just love the way it looks. They did a great job on the plastic, on the material choice. It's extremely smooth. There's no rough edges on there. Right out of the box, it's ready to use and very high tech. So let's plug this in and let's let you see what it sounds like. So it is plugged in, and I noticed that after undoing the power cord, that is very flexible, and it's a generous 6 feet long, so that you can plug it in outlets that are further away from where you're styling your hair. So let's give this a try. There's a switch right there. That's the low speed, and that's the high speed. I can feel the incoming air right here. Now this is how you control the temperature. So if you look right here, you see blue. So this is just incoming air that hasn't been heated. You hit this once, and now it turns to an orangish yellow color, and now it's putting BTUs or warmth to the incoming air. You hit it again, you see it goes to red, and now it's heating the incoming air even more, and I can feel the heat on there. And that's basically it. Then you just turn it off when you're done. Now I'm going to show you. I have a device that will measure electric field. And you can see it's registering a nice electric field. Those are the negative ions that are being generated, which is going to help dry your hair. Here I have a thermal done. You can see it's heating up the table right there. You can see the tip has got the warmth coming out of it, and it's generating a nice amount of heat, not too high to damage your hair, along with those negative ions. And here's a thermal gun with a laser pointer. Put it right in there. You see it's about 125 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for drying your hair. And this is on the highest heat setting. And about 2 feet away, it's only 75 decibels, which is very reasonable for this amount of power. So after testing, what do I think about the MAYBEL brand? Their Pro Ionic hair dryer. Really like this product. I love the filter system on there. I love the controls and the quietness and the amount of heat and the ions this produces. This will dry your hair quickly and it works really, really well. And customers have appreciated this and showed that with excellent customer ratings. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.